This is the Act for Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, which is amended in 2005, and you can see the detailing of the chapters within the index that has been given. It covers CRPC 1973, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Indian Evidence Act 1872, Hindu Marriage Act 1955, Indian Penal Code 1860. Now, the thing is that I want to say that when somebody is filing this DV Act, Domestic Violence Act, they also should follow the procedural code. Okay, we have a procedural code that is in 1973 about CRPC and IPC, of course, 1860. Now, this protection of women from domestic violence rules, this was already in the act in 2005, and it became the rules, where you can see the index. These are the mentioned chapter which is given. Next, the penal code is also there, and you can see the series of offenses that has been conducted, and it is actually charged while giving this domestic violence act. Now, what are the issues that has been faced during the course of marriage or the dissolution of marriage? Hindu Marriage Act is a vast subject, which is in 1955. It was again amended, and you can see that the provision of marriage which is to be registered, it came through that, and there are certain things we follow during the this marriage act, and there are grounds of divorce, and there are the void and voidable marriages are also mentioned. Indian Evidence Act. Now, what is the role of Indian Evidence Act? The role of Indian Evidence Act is, again, I said that if you are charging somebody in domestic violence, there should be some evidence as well. Why? Because you have to prove the oppression or the torture that you has been facing. Okay, it is not only verbally, but there are evidences that needs to be conducted, okay, that needs to be given to the court of justice. And yes, the procedural code also follows a major role in this domestic violence act. So this is the brief all about in this video, and next, for the other explanation, I will give it in in a personal way, okay, within chapters and all.